Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted the cutest item today that is a sensory set. It comes in this cute little box that looks like luggage. So cute because what you get are all of these t-shirts. They're sensory mats. I'm so excited to show these to you. So all of the backs have this non-slip grip on them, which is great. And each of them also has this little hook to hang them up. It even comes with like this little lace, so you can do like a lacing and stringing activity, which is always just so relaxing for the kids. And it really calms them down. And then you can like hang them in your room. Super cute, right? This kit has everything. It has word cards to describe all of the mats, and you even get a cute little activity book. So this is cute for families, of course, speech therapists, OTs, even PTs. You can do so many things with these. You get this really nice, soft, textured material, and it's pink. Think of the describing you can do with these. Then you get this shiny kind of one with like little bumps on it. And then, ooh, you get this fuzzy one, which feels great, and it's green. The red one is furry, so soft. I love that you can kind of move that back and forth. Then you got this sort of reptile feeling one. This is a little shiny too, which is another great descriptor word. We've got this nice bumpy one. Oh, and listen, get a little ASMR on that one. Love it. Ooh, flippy sequins, always a fan favorite. Brown fur, this is like a bear. And then pink and bumpy. So stinking cute. I love this. Okay, all of you teachers, all of you speech therapists, OTs, PTs, and families, you need this. And also for those of us who are therapists and have so much in our cars, you get a handy dandy little carrying bag to put your shirts, your string, your activity book, and your describing cards in. And then you can take these on the go, or you can use your cute little box. Such a fun set. Definitely check these out.